Hi everyone, this is Mark over at Nebula Tech Solutions, and today I'm going to teach you how to use the Google AdSense plugin. And it's very easy to do, to install the plugin, and I will teach you how to do this. So it's without any further ado, let's go to my screen. All right, so first thing we have to do is go to google.com and type in Google AdSense. Okay, so this is a web browser, and then we have to click on Get Started as seen here. Okay. And then, of course, Google will ask us to sign in into our Gmail account. So it's necessary for you to have a Gmail account, a Google account, because if Google will only allow you to use the AdSense platform if you have a Google and Gmail account. Okay. All right. So the next screen here is the Google AdSense screen. So as you can see here, it's asking us to enter the name of our website, meaning the URL, and then our email address, which is of course our Gmail address. And further down, they're suggesting to you to get helpful AdSense info at that email address. So this is necessary because if there is any update or anything new, it's always good to be ahead of others and to know what's going on. Okay, so click yes. All right, so then you have to verify that it is really you who's trying to log in to create a new account. So click next. All right, so on this screen, the next step is to enter your site URL. Okay, so you enter your site URL here. Okay, and then you go down to yes, I have read and agree. Okay, and accept the agreement. Okay, so and proceed to create an account. Okay, click the blue button here. Next is the review and acceptance of the terms and conditions. So click yes, I have read and accept the agreement. So on, and move a little bit down now and click on create account. So this will create your account. Okay, so let's go back. All right, so this is the next screen here. Your account has been created, so they're asking you to get started. So you click on Get Started on the white button. So here you go. Your account is ready. So this is your home screen for your new Google AdSense account. So there are a couple of things that you need to do here for your payment address details. So you have to select here type of account type. Is the account for you as an individual, or for your business? Okay, and further down you have to write your name and your address. Okay. Do that. Okay, and your address, of course, city, states, phone number, optional, and then click on submit. All right, so now the next screen here is your home screen. Okay, so if you click on home, this is what you will see. Okay, And this page is prompting us to connect to your site. Okay, connect your site to AdSense. So before that, as you can see here, Google will would give us this AdSense code, which we used to do that. This is your method. You can still do that. You can still do that as well. So it's not a big deal. But if, as I said earlier, if you're not very tech savvy, you can use Google plugin, the AdSense plugins. That's the reason why we're here. Okay, but before that, it will be required for you to use this code and paste it onto your dashboard over onto your website, over your WordPress website. But we don't have to do that. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so here what we are looking at is our dashboard over on our website, on our blog. Okay, and there are a couple of things for us to do here so that we can install plugin and go to add new. Okay, and in the search area here, type in Google Kit and press enter. Okay, so you can type it with a Google Kit or Site Kit. Okay, because this plugin is called the Site Kit plugin. So as you can see here, mine has been already activated, so I'm using it on my website. But for you, it will look totally different from that. They will ask you to install the plugin, so you have to click install. Okay, and this will probably take about 15 to 20 seconds, and then after the installation process is completed, you will click on activate to activate the plugin. All right, so if you navigate onto the left side of your screen, okay, where it's written plugin, okay, we can see that our Google Site Kit has been installed already. Okay, it's been installed already, so click on go to dashboard and then move to settings. Okay, and sign in to the Google Site Kit plugin. Okay, click here, sign in with Google. Now the next step here on this screen here, you have to click on sign in with Google. And then grant SiteKit permission. You click allow. Then very quickly again, they're asking you to grant SiteKit permission. Okay, for view and manage Search Console data for your verified website. Click allowed. Grant SiteKit permission, manage the list of sites and domains you control. Click on allow. Okay, and then the next step is you are allowing SiteKit to associate with your personal info on Google, blah blah blah, and all these things. Okay, so as you can see, you can read it for yourself. So it's asking you, are you sure you trust SiteKit? Of course, so we click on allow. Okay, so then the next step here is to is the welcome page. to SiteKit. Okay, so now you have to click on proceed. Okay, and the next verification is to verify that you're the owner. So you click allow. Okay, and voila, if you've completed the setup process. So then the next thing you have to go to do is to click on the dashboard. Go to my dashboard. Okay, so this is your dashboard over on your blog, your WordPress blog or website on your account. So if you go to SiteKit, okay, and here in the middle you will find Google AdSense. Okay, so you have to activate it, and so you have to, what to do is click on connect service. Okay, so here it says your account is getting ready. So go to your AdSense account to check on your site status or complete setting up. So click on that, and they will take you back from your WordPress site to the Google AdSense account. Okay, and this is to confirm that your website has been connected to the Google AdSense, your new Google AdSense account. All right, so the final step here on this is to, again, this next step, okay, is for connecting your site to AdSense, as I said at the top. So just click on done. So because we've done everything correctly on our website, as we have done previously, yes, on our website, this page here is a confirmation page that the code was found. Okay.